Bollywood actor Preity Zinta, as we speak, is at Wankhede Stadium. She is finally recording her statement about the complaint she had filed against former boyfriend Ness Wadia. Mumbai police had asked the actress to be present at the stadium for identification purposes as well. Preity claims her estranged boyfriend Ness Wadia had abused her at the Wankhede during an IPL match. Preity had returned to the country on Sunday morning as the police had asked her to record her statement to get better clarity on the entire incident. The cops will try to reconstruct the scene with Preity Zinta's help as well. Officials of Mumbai Crime Branch Anti-Extortion Wing are also present at the stadium.
Preity is a very strong, independent woman. She's really a nice girl. I've interacted a lot with her. I've met Ness a couple of times. I really don't know what happened between them, so I think it's very unfair for me to comment on it. But I think it's very clear that no woman should be touched if she doesn't want to be touched. I think that is the basic rule that every man has to follow. And I think if somebody has misbehaved with her, and if it's proven in the court of law, I'm sure that person will be punished.
All right, those are reactions coming in on this entire Preity Ness saga. I'd like to cut across to my colleague Vikas Mishra. At this point of time, he is reporting outside the Wankhede where Preity Zinta is finally deposing in the case. Vikas, what is the latest update that you can give us? We've seen Preeti's car pull in at Wankhede. We know that the cops want to create the sequence of events with her help. What's the latest?
It's been an hour, Preity, that police started recording the process of the statement, and there are two teams of Mumbai police. One is the Marine Drive police station, which is investigating the assault and the molestation case, as well as there's a crime branch anti-extortion cell who is investigating the threat call received by Ness Wadia, the Wadia family from Ravi Pujari gang. So right now the statement for the incident which took place on the May 13th, that is going on. They are going to reconstruct the whole incident, how it happened, and they have also brought a list of people who have been seen in the CCTV footage, which was confiscated by Mumbai police earlier from the Wankhede Stadium to identify the actual eyewitnesses of the whole case, because the eyewitnesses who have recorded the statement earlier, the assault charges has been proved by their statement, but the charges of molestation has not been proved. So right now police is looking for eyewitnesses, and that was the priorities. And later, once the statement is done by the Marine Drive police station, then the anti-extortion cell will start the process of recording the statement as well as the threat call to the Wadia families is concerned. Back to you, Preity.
Because what else are we expecting? Because we are expecting that the police will also be questioning the BCCI officials, as well as what you were pointing out, their eyewitness accounts. One of those reactions will be playing out in a short while from now.
That's what the whole process is. The police was waiting in the whole investigation because Preity was abroad, and what the priority of the Mumbai police, especially the Marine Drive police, is that they want to recognize the eyewitnesses from Preity herself, because there were several people who have been named that who were present at that spot when the whole incident took place, but they want Preity to identify the eyewitnesses for them so that they can give specific information from eyewitnesses, because till now, as far as Ness Wadia case is concerned, they have no proof at all as far as the molestation charges is concerned. So what they are looking for is they are looking for a concrete evidence to go ahead with against Ness Wadia. But right now the case falls flat as far as evidence is concerned. But what they are looking for, that they get some eyewitnesses, recognize some people who are from the cricket fraternity, BCCI, IPL governing council, so that they can record their statement specifically to prove the charges made by Preity Zinta in the FIR copy.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Vikas Mishra, my colleague, reporting outside the Wankhede. It's been 1 hour that Preity Zinta has been deposing, recording her statement, creating the sequence of events as they took place. Headlines Today would keep you updated with the same. Appreciate it, Vikas. Thank you for joining us.